2023-24. Today we have gathered here to celebrate more achievements and hard work of our students, teachers and staff. We are honored to have our trustees, well-wishers with us as our chief guest. Founder Director Mr. Bhushan Mavre sir, co-founder Mr. Anil Belkari sir and Mr. Prasad Shetty sir. Our trustees Mr. Kailash More sir, Mrs. Jyoti Belkari ma'am, Mrs. Subhash Shetty ma'am and Mrs. Rupali More ma'am. And our honorable dearest principal Mrs. Josna Mavre ma'am.
On behalf of Sanskriti Preschool and Guruvari Academic School, I intend a warm welcome to all guests, parents, students and everyone here who have or graced this occasion in this event. This annual function is much awaited event for all of us. It is a time to celebrate our achievement and showcase our talents. The purpose of this event is to provide a big platform to our students to showcase their skills and creativity. It is an opportunity for them to exhibit their talents in drama, music and dance. We hope that our students to continue pursuing their passions and achieve greater heights.
A heartfelt welcome to all the parents, teachers and well-wishers who have been constant source of support and encouragement throughout this journey. Your presence here today signifies the immense value you place on the holistic development of our students. This annual function is not just a showcase of talent, but also a celebration of unity, collaboration, and the spirit of our institution. It is a reflection of the values we impart and the memories we create together. I will request all to stand up for National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की भारत माता की वंदे
We will have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge and arts, represents the free flow of wisdom and consciousness. She has 4 hands representing 4 aspects of human personality in learning, mind, intellect, alertness and ego. With her other 2 hands, she plays the music of love and life on a string instrument called the veena. She is dressed in white, the symbol of purity, and rides on a white swan, symbolizing sattva guna or purity and discrimination. I request all our dignitaries come on the stage for lamp lighting with Saraswati Vandana by our music teacher.
जय शारदे वागीश्वरी जय शारदे वागीश्वरी विधि कन्यके विद्याधरी वागीश्वरी वागीश्वरी जय शारदे वागीश्वरी ज्योत्स्ने परी कांती तुझी ज्योत्स्ने परी कांती तुझी मुखरम्य शारद चंद्रमा उजळे तुझ्या हास्यातुनी उजळे तुझ्या हास्यातुनी चारी युगांची पौर्णिमा तुझिया कृपेचे चांदणे तुझिया कृपेचे चांदणे नितवर्षू दे आमुच्या शिरी नितवर्षू दे आमुच्या शिरी वागीश्वरी जय शारदे वागीश्वरी जय शारदे वागीश्वरी वागीश्वरी वागीश्वरी. थँक्यू.
for the today's auspicious occasion, and good evening, one and all present over here. Now, it's time to felicitate our guest with mementos, a small token of love. I would like to request our treasurer, Mr. Prasad Shetty sir and Shubha Shetty ma'am, to honor our today's special guest, Mr. Rajendra Burge sir. Sir and ma'am. Now, I would like to request our secretary, Mr. Anil Belkeri sir and Mrs. Jyoti Belkeri ma'am, to felicitate our today's guest, Mr. Sadashiv Shinde sir, Head Constable of Chikli. Sir and ma'am, now I would like to request our trustee, Mr. Kailash More sir and Mrs. Rupali More ma'am, to felicitate our today's guest, Dr. Purnima Kadam ma'am. Ma'am, now I would like to request our director, Mr. Bhushan Maule sir, to felicitate our today's guest, ASI Dinesh Dhawale sir. Thank you, sir and ma'am. Now, I would like to request Mrs. Shubha Shetty ma'am to felicitate our well-wisher Subhash More sir. Now I would like to request our principal, Mrs. Josna Maule ma'am, to felicitate Jaywantrao More sir. Now I would like to request Jyoti Belkar ma'am to felicitate Sudha More sir. Thank you ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would like to request our principal, Mrs. Joshna Maule, ma'am, to felicitate Ashok More, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to request our principal, Mrs. Josna Maule ma'am, to felicitate Mrs. Nivedita Motka ma'am, Vice President of PTA Committee. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I would like to request our coordinator, Mrs. Mona ma'am, to felicitate Mrs. Aditi Kulkarni ma'am, Joint Secretary of PTA Committee.
Now, I would like to request our coordinator Pratibha ma'am to felicitate Mr. Sanket Joshi sir, Joint Secretary of PTA Committee.
Thank you all of you.
अपनों के लिए हर वादे को तोड़ आया हूँ, अपनों के लिए हर वादे को तोड़ आया हूँ, मैं खाकी हूँ, आपके लिए अपनों को रोता छोड़ आया हूँ.
It is my immense pleasure to introduce our guest, Mr. Rajendra Burge sir, who has graciously accepted our invitation to join us today. He is Police Inspector in Crime Branch Chikli.
Our guest, Mr. Amit Kumar Tiwari sir, Director of Rajat Academy, is highly accomplished individual in the field of education.
Dr. Purnima Kadam ma'am, Principal of Pratibha B.Ed College. On behalf of our family, I thank them for taking the time to be with us today.
I extend my warm welcome towards Mr. Sadashiv Shinde sir, Police Head Constable in Chikli area. Welcome all the dignitaries to the special event of this evening. Teachers, talk about some truly special people. Without them, we wouldn't have doctors, lawyers, CEOs, authors. The list goes on. Thank you. It's a simple but meaningful phrase that people in this profession don't hear more often. We are beyond grateful for your guidance and support. Words cannot capture my appreciation. Your passion for teaching and nurturing young minds is truly inspiring. Guruvarya Academy School and Sanskriti Preschool truly appreciate your hard work and dedication. With the help of students voting, we happily announce the best teachers from Guruvarya Academy School and Sanskriti Preschool. I would like to request Rajendra Bangre sir to felicitate, to honor our coordinator Pratibha ma'am, award for the best academic coordinator. Her way to handle each age group students is really appreciated. Rajendra sir, please do the honor. I would like to request Dr. Purnima Kadam ma'am to honor our Priyanka ma'am. No, word is just never in her dictionary. Give the work and leave it to her. She will give her best with full dedication. Priyanka ma'am. I would like to request Amit Tiwari sir to honor our dance teacher Jayashri Tekade ma'am. Hard work, creative and our beautiful dancer. The stamina of dance and energy is truly remarkable. There from more than 5 years, so one more loyalty award to Jaya ma'am. I would like to request Sadashiv Shinde sir to honor Sapna Jadhav ma'am. She is best at her work, as you all can see and notice through our beautiful decoration. She is amazing in her field. Request Jyotsna ma'am to honor Shubhangi ma'am. She is particular and dedicated towards work. She is always ready for the work with passion. I would like to request Prasad Shetty sir to honor Pooja Hude ma'am, the one who has silently completed all the tasks given to her. She has lots of patience and sweetness to handle the kids. Like to request Anil Belkeri sir to honor Sonali ma'am. She won't never give up in any critical situation. She makes it happen, doesn't matter how many hurdles are there in her path. Please give huge round of applause for the teachers. Shubha Shetty ma'am. To honor our admin ma'am Varsha ma'am. It is actually needs too much patience to handle parents' queries, anger, concerns and schoolwork. And she has all the qualities to handle all these things with beautiful smile. I would like to request Jyoti ma'am to honor our Vijay Kudalkar sir. When he is there, we don't have to take care of the discipline of our students. He is dedicated and he has capacity to handle hundreds of students at a time. I would like to request Jyoti ma'am to honor our Didi कार्तिकी शिंदे दीदी. कुठल्याही टीचरला काहीही महत्त्वाचं काम द्यायचं असेल तर सगळ्यात आधी तोंडावर येणारं नाव म्हणजे कार्तिकी दीदी. मुलांच्या ड्रेपरी बघण्यापासून ते ॲडमिनच्या कामापर्यंत सगळं सांभाळणाऱ्या आमच्या कार्तिकी दीदी. I would like to request रुपाली मॅम टू ऑनर आर शोभा दीदी. टीचर्स थकल्यानंतर त्यांचा थकवा चहा कॉफी लिंबू सरबतनी घालवणाऱ्या आमच्या शोभा दीदी. रेस्टरूममध्ये मुलांची काळजी घेणाऱ्या आणि नाश्ता सगळ्यांनी घेतला की नाही याची खात्री बाळगणाऱ्या आमच्या शोभा दीदी. लॉकडाऊनमध्ये सुद्धा यांनी खूप छान काम केलंय स्कूल करता. Now, I would like to request Jyotsna ma'am to honor our मानिक दादा. एकमेव व्यक्ती ज्यांना शाळेच्या सगळ्या वस्तू कुठे ठेवल्या आहेत ते माहिती असतं. अतिशय मेहनती कार्यतत्पर असे आमचे दादा. पूर्ण वर्षात मोजून 1 ते 2 सुट्ट्या घेणारे आमचे माणिक दादा. काहीच नाही.
Now what to say? Enthusiastic, challenge taker, hardworking, cooperative and perfect intermediate in personal and professional tasks. She is a favorite of all students as well as all staff as well as all of us. I request Mr. Bhushan sir to felicitate Mrs. Mona Pangurwar. Give big hand. As a best teacher, she is working with us more than 5 years. Everyone, please have a seat.
Thank you so much all for your appreciation. Teachers actually needs this appreciation from parents as well as management. And yes, Guruvari Academy School and Sanskriti Preschool truly take care of all these small things. Standing in front of you on this beautiful event today gives me a great deal of pleasure. We are all assembled here to mark the conclusion of this great event and to show our appreciation for our students. Hard work, efforts to follow school's rules and regulations. They have shown great skills in academic, sports, discipline as well as extracurricular activities. Now, presenting the Best Student Award in each class in academics. Let's start with our tiny tots. I would like to request our guest Rajendra Bangre sir to honor our students. From nursery class, Shivam Kumbhar. They are so disciplined. I would like to request Amit Tiwari sir to honor our students from LKG B, Veda Pandey. These are my best student of the years. UKG A, Amay Ghodge. I would like to request Jayvant More sir, please honor my small students from UKG B, Srinivas Malgi. First A, Rajnandini More. I would like to request Sadashiv Shinde sir to honor first B students Shreyas Barse. I would like to request Sudham More sir to honor my first C student Sanvi Ingre. I would like to request Mr. Ashok More sir to honor first D best student Sanvi Kende. I would like to request Subhash More sir to honor second A best student of the year Aditya Joshi. I would like to request Jayvantrao More sir to honor second B student Samruddhi Katore. I would like to request Sadashiv Shinde sir to honor second C student Ashi Gupta. I would like to request Anil Velkare sir to honor third A best student of the year Sarvadnya Davange. Third B best student of the year Park Matkar. I would like to request Prasad Shetty sir to honor 4th A best student of the year Sai Gowde. From 4th B Swara Manchekar. I would like to request Kailash sir to honor our 5th A student of the year girl Hilor Thakkar. B. Sanvi More. I would like to request Prasad sir to honor our 5th B student of the year, Sanvi More. I would like to request Jyoti ma'am to honor our 6th standard student of the year, Shubhika Singh. Best student of the year from 7th standard, Yakshita Aldar. I would like to request Shubha Shetty ma'am to honor our 8th standard student of the year, Geet Nikam. We have some special categories for the students. Most disciplined student from the school, Rajveer Jagtap from 2nd A. I would like to request Shubha ma'am to do the honor. Rajveer Jagtap from 2nd A. I would like to request Rupali ma'am to give the honor of Sports Student of the Year, which is from 6th standard, Shaurya Nilwan. Parents, please, they actually need your appreciation. Most active student of the year is 5th A, Devyani Sakharkar. Students, 100% attendance of the particular students. We have 2 students, those were not absent for whole year. Manveet Shetty from 5th A. I would like to request Josna ma'am to give the honor. And Veer Gofne from 4th B. Kindly give huge round of applause for all the students. Best student of the year from 4th B, Swara Manchekar. Dignitaries, please have a seat for the next segment.
Yes, we'll go ahead with the program. We have a wonderful evening so far, filled with joy, happiness, and meaningful exchanges. One of the most awaited moments of tonight has arrived. A moment that promises to deliver insights and inspiration to engage us all in a thoughtful, provoking dialogue. Without further ado, let's welcome Mr. Bhushan Maule sir, Director and Founder of Guruvarya Academy School and Sanskriti Preschool on stage. Please grace us with your insightful words and enlighten us with your wisdom.
Thank you so much, Pratibha ma'am. Jai Shri Ram. Honorable chief guest of today's event, Dr. Mrs. Purnima Kadam ma'am, then Mr. Amit Kumari Tiwari sir, then Rajendra Barge sir, Sadavshi Shinde sir, and all my other dignitaries present over here, all my trustees, very proud parents, my team of key functionaries, that is teachers, non-teaching staff, principal, coordinators, so I should tell them being my family. So welcome to this wonderful evening, each and everyone. This evening is very, very much special. Today is 8th annual day of Guruvari Academy School and Sanskriti Preschool. So I, founder, director and president of the school, taking opportunity to welcome all of you in this beautiful evening. And I think we all are waiting for this weather. Am I right or wrong? Since last 1.5 hour, many of you are coming to me, sir, ये थोड़ा टेम्परेचर कम कर लो, नहीं तो मांडव डाल के दे दो हमको. So it was not possible. This is the first time that we are taking such kind of big event on the open ground, and I'm sure you will definitely like it, because after a few minutes, the performances for which you are waiting since last 1.5 hour is going to be start. Proud and privileged to be holding this institution which called a Sanskriti Preschool, which we have opened in 2015, and then Guruvari Academy School as a primary school, with a definitely a difference in methodology of teaching, our core values, dedication, discipline, that makes this school different from others. So we inspire learning and wisdom by spreading happiness. That is our main motto of the school. I remember that when in 2012 we got entered into this education segment by opening our first coaching classes, and in that era we learn a lot, and the parents like you has motivated us to go for the schooling segment. So that time we were very much clear about our values, our core values and our vision. So our vision was not only giving the bookish knowledge to the students, but also work on their total development, that is a mental development and physical development also. And when we started our first venture, we were learned that not only the education, giving the education and the bookish knowledge is important, but the counseling is playing a vital role in each and every parents for their child's development. So after taking a graduation, master degrees, we are certified counselor. We have done thousands of parents their personal counseling as well as in a group counseling, because we know this is very much important. During this education journey, when we are doing the big things, we need the same frequency people around us and with us. So in my journey, I would like to thank my first support system, Mr. Anil Belkari sir. Then I would like to thank Mr. Kailash More sir and his entire family who has given their land for the school. And a very, very thank to our biggest support system, Mr. Prasad Shetty sir. Mr. Prasad Shetty sir. So we are on the mission for the betterment. We are the mission for developing a best education system, a best methodologies. My dear parents, each and everyone has given their 100% efforts, their all of efforts to make this event a successful. You are going to be a witness for a wonderful event, and I am proud to say that my entire team, my entire family, with their hundreds of hands, taken the effort since last 1 month to make this event successful. So enjoy this event. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. One student is remaining for 100% attendance award. I would like to request Dinesh Dhawale, sir, to honor our student from 4th B, Veer Gofne. Like to request Dr. Purnima Kadam ma'am to share the experience.
All the dignitaries on the dais, all trustees of this prestigious school, Gurivarya Academy and Sanskruti School, all the parents of the students, all teachers who are working over here, support staff, good evening to everyone. It's really a very pleasant evening today. The experience which I am having over here is a very happy experience for me, because this is the school of my own student. Josna is my student, and there are few more teachers who are working over here. They are my own students. So I am very happy today that I am honoring my student, and that is an honor for me. So it's a very special evening for me, and the way they are doing this is an outstanding work. The quality they have maintained over here is also a remarkable one. There are things which are really appreciable, which I am observing right from when I entered the school. I have come from the school for the first time. So it is really a great experience for me over here, that whatever I am observing is of a great quality. They have great virtue among them. They are ethical and moral with all values, which is a need of the hour. And I am also happy that developing. So when we are under development, we are progressing. So, and we can do as per our, our need. So when we are developing, this is a stage where we get more people who join, we get more efforts, and we grow also. So keep on developing, I will wish. And also, may there be more branches of Sanskruti School may there be more branches of Guruvarya Academy, which is going to provide a quality education in the vicinity. So I congratulate all the parents who have come over here for their kids' performances, that they have chosen right place for their kids. So your kids are in right hands, and all-round development is sure over here. So that can be observed, and number of student is also growing. That is the proof that this school is doing well in the vicinity. So I wish everyone all the best for the further performances, and also congratulate all the winners of today's trophies and awards. So that is also remarkable one, that who are winner over here. They are doing well. So keep it up. All the best to everyone, and everyone enjoy the event. Are we all ready to enjoy?
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your valuable words and for your blessings. Now, I would like to request Mr. Amit Tiwari, sir, to share the thoughts. Please, sir.
Hello everyone. I will not take much of your time, but I would like to share 3 important things from my life to grow in your life. Always be honest, because if you will be honest, you will get much more opportunity than others. Always be a good person. Always be a kind person. This is 3 mantra of success. इसके अलावा मैं पेरेंट्स से बात करना चाहूँगा, क्योंकि पेरेंट्स से कनेक्ट करना इस एज में सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, और अपने बच्चों को अभी से ही उस डायरेक्शन में आप ले जाने का ट्राई करें, जहाँ पे आप अपने बच्चों को सिखाएं कि हर एक सेकेंड को कैसे यूज किया जाता है। चाहे आपके बच्चे खेल कूद में ग्रो कर रहे हैं, या आपके बच्चे एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री में ग्रो कर रहे हैं, या वो जो भी करना चाहते हैं, हमेशा अपने बच्चों को बस एक बातें सिखाने का ट्राई करें कि चाहे तुम जो भी करो, हर एक सेकंड का यूज करो। चाहे तुम खेलने जा रहे हो, वहाँ पे भी हर एक सेकंड का यूज करो। अगर तुम पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, वहाँ पे भी हर एक सेकंड का यूज करो। मेरी जर्नी बिहार के एक छोटे से गांव से शुरू होती है। मैं एक सुपर 30 का स्टूडेंट हूँ। आई थिंक आप सब लोग जानते होंगे सुपर 30 मूवी जो ऋतिक रोशन ने आनंद कुमार के बेस्ट पे बनाई हुई थी। वहाँ से मैंने अपने करियर की शुरुआत की। मेरे लाइफ में काफ़ी सारे स्ट्रगल थे, लेकिन मेरे पेरेंट ने हमेशा एक बात बताया कि ऑलवेज बी अ ऑनेस्ट पर्सन, ऑलवेज बी अ गुड पर्सन। तो आप अपने बच्चों को बस ये 2 बातें सिखाइए। मार्क्स तो सब लोग लाते हैं, चाहे आपके बच्चे बैक बेंचर हों या आपके बच्चे एवरेज स्टूडेंट हो, केवल उनसे एक बातें कम्युनिकेट करने का ट्राई कीजिए कि हर एक सेकंड का यूज करो, और ऑलवेज बी ऑनेस्ट, ऑलवेज बी अ गुड पर्सन। आपके बच्चे बहुत अच्छे से सक्सीड करेंगे, इस बात की मैं गारंटी देता हूँ। सुपर 30 जो मूवी बनी थी, उसके तर्ज पे ही मैं पुणे में भी, मैं खुद IIT पवई से पास आउट हूँ। आई थिंक सब लोगों को पता होगा IIT बैकग्राउंड के बारे में। उसके बाद मैंने पुणे में कोचिंग शुरू की 2012 में रजत एकेडमी नाम से, और हर साल हम लोग मोर देन 100 स्टूडेंट को IIT और मेडिकल कॉलेज में भेजते हैं। और हर एक बच्चों को बस मैं एक मंत्र सिखाता हूँ कि ऑलवेज यूज एवरी सिंगल सेकेंड। जब तक आप हर एक सेकेंड को यूज नहीं करोगे, तब तक आपको बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम आगे चल के आएगी। थैंक यू एवरीवन।
आई थिंक बहुत सारे लोगों ने यहाँ पे सुपर 30 मूवीज़ देखी होगी। इवन आई वॉच्ड इट। इट वॉज अ ब्यूटिफुल मूवी सर। वेरी इंस्पायरिंग एंड वेरी नाइस मूवी। अमित कुमार तिवारी sir is not just shaping minds, he actively guides today's youth, showcasing his commitment to their growth. His journey is really an inspiring treatment and determination. Everyone, please give a huge round of applause for Amit Tiwari sir. Now I would like to request Mr. Rajendra Barge sir to share few words with us.
गुरुदेव अकॅडमी गणेशनगर चिखलीचे दवळे सर मॅडम यांनी आजच्या या कार्यक्रमासाठी मला प्रमुख पाहुणे म्हणून हजर राहण्याबाबत विनंती केली. माझा हा दुसरा योग आहे शाळेमध्ये येण्याचा. त्याबद्दल मी सर्व गुरुवर अकॅडमीचे शिक्षक, सर्व स्टाफ, सर्व पालक यांना माझा सस्नेह नमस्कार. आता आम्ही ॲक्च्युली पोलीस खात्यामध्ये आहोत, पण व्याख्या ते नक्कीच नव्हत, त्यामुळे तुमची तशी काय अपेक्षा असेल तर चुकीची आहे. आम्हाला फक्त एक 2-3 गोष्टी मला सुचवायच्या त्या अशा की या अकॅडमीमध्ये आता जे पालक हजर आहेत आणि शिक्षक आहेत, त्यांनी आपली जी मुलं आहेत ती मुलं लहानपणापासून कशी प्रगती करतील, त्यांच्याकडे विशेष कोणता गुण आहे हे हेरणं हे शिक्षकांचं तसंच पालकांचंही काम आहे. आणि यातून त्यांना पुढं जे काही शिकवायचं आहे ते दोन्ही गोष्टी शिकवा. यश आणि अपयश हे कसं पचवायला पाहिजे हे मात्र नक्की शिकवा. ही मुलं सध्या पहिली ते लोअर ते 8वीपर्यंतची सर्व मुलं आहेत. अजूनही ते सध्या मीडियापासून दूर असतील कदाचित, पण येणाऱ्या भविष्यकाळामध्ये तुमच्या मुलांचा सगळ्यात मोठा शत्रू असणार आहे तो म्हणजे तुमचाच घरातील मोबाईल. आणि तुम्ही पालक आपला मुलगा त्रास देतो म्हणून त्याच्या हातात मोबाईल ठेवता, ही अत्यंत चुकीची गोष्ट आहे. तर थोडी सुधारणा करावी अशी एवढीच माफक अपेक्षा आहे तुमच्याकडून. मी एक विद्यार्थी असा आहे की ज्याचे वडील पण शिक्षक आहेत आणि बायको पण शिक्षक आहे, त्याच्यामुळे आम्हाला शिस्तीतच राहावं लागतं, शिवाय अंगावर ड्रेस आहे. त्यामुळे सगळ्यांनी असंच विद्यार्थ्यांच्या प्रगतीकडे लक्ष द्यावं आणि त्यांच्या उज्ज्वल भवितव्याकडं लक्ष देऊन आपला उज्ज्वल भारत घडवण्यासाठी आपल्या अकॅडमीचं नाव निश्चितपणे आपले विद्यार्थी मोठं करतील अशी आशा बाळगतो. आणि मला 2 मिनटं बोलण्याची संधी दिली त्याबद्दल धन्यवाद सर्वांचे.
खूप खूप आभार बर्गे सर तुमच्या मार्गदर्शनाबद्दल. Now I would like to request all the dignitaries to settle down so that you can enjoy the performances of this beautiful evening.
I am Prasanna Bhushan Mave, your host for this beautiful evening. Plato said once, music is a moral law. It gives soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to the imagination and charm, and gaiety to life and to everything. To begin this auspicious music event, the talented school choir comes with an amazing welcome song. On this bright day, our spirits so high, we are so happy to welcome you. Swagatam, Shubha Swagatam, Atha Swagatam, Shubha Swagatam. Our students have incredible qualities and talents to show you. So let's put your hands together to welcome our students who are going to perform a welcome song.
Our spirits so high, we're so happy to welcome you on this bright day. Our spirits so high, we're so happy to welcome you. As we gather here today, your blessings and your presence make us rejoice. कुसुमित नई कामनाएं, सुरभित नई साधनाएं, मैत्री मत क्रीडांगन में प्रमुदित बंधु भावनाएं, मैत्री मत क्रीडांगन में प्रमुदित बंधु भावनाएं, शाश्वत सुविकसित इति शुभम, शाश्वत सुविकसित इति शुभम, आनंद मंगल मंगलम, आनंद मंगल मंगलम, नित प्रियम भारत भारतम, नित प्रियम भारत भारतम, स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम, अथ स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम, आनंद मंगल मंगलम, आनंद मंगल मंगलम, नित प्रियम